Alright everybody, this is an exciting day. I got my Shure MV7 podcast microphone, as you can tell. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it right now. So stay tuned for this beauty of a reveal. Let's get right on it. Right, here we go. So, let me get my mighty knife. Alright. Cut here real quick. Go to the side. Safety first. I'm gonna start unboxing this real quick. Okay. And box this out. Nice. Put it to the side. And welcome to better sound. As you can tell, welcome to better sound, right? Amazing. So, just has like a little over here, this way. And you have the quick start guide, which I should probably pull out. This I guess it's just fill, and we can have the desktop app over here where we can download that app from that website, or from that website. And here's the masterpiece right here. Oh man. Alright. Woo! Ain't that a piece of beauty? Wow. Look at this amazing thing. Sturdy. It's hard. So we'll be replacing my Blue Yeti, of course. Put it here to the side and see what else has that's in the box. We have the little nut so you can change it, and whatever device you're gonna hang it in, you put it over here, reduce it. Just to the side, and alright, nothing else here. We do have some literature here. Headphones and earphones. It's in Arabic. Know a little bit of Arabic when I was back in Kuwait and Iraq in 2005-2006. U.S. Coast Guard. Hell of a trip. And I got more stuff over here. Some more literature, limited warranty, etc. Put all this to the side. Right here, probably the USB-C and the USB to micro USB. Well, I actually like more to use, I like using a little bit more the USB-C, which is the one I'm going to be using. And put all this stuff to the side as well. And yeah, I'll be installing this one in a little bit. It's sturdy. It's amazing. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright, then now we continue with the installation of the MV7. So I'm going to install it through USB. I do not have a device that I can use XLR with, like a podcast Rodecaster Pro. So I'm just going to stick with what I have for now. And later on, I'll upgrade and use an XLR cable with it. What I do have is I have the Yeti caster, which is the combination of this blue arm, the Yeti, and this the Yeti shock something. I'll put it put down the description information. Alright, so I'm not going to be using it through USB anymore. I'm going to be using USB-C. And this Yeti is going to be used for other purposes, like probably Clubhouse. It's really easy to take out. And yeah, that's it. Alright, so found the little bushing. It's supposed to be here. Hit it right here, right? Right here. So now it's named the Shorecaster. That's what the name of it. I guess, right? No Yeti caster anymore. So now I have a proper microphone. It's gonna sound pretty good. Alright. Now I'm gonna be using it USB for a while I get my big boy Rodecaster Pro. And the reason I'm getting the Rodecaster Pro is because I also use Mac, so it's a benefit for me to have both. So I can, if I wanted to use my M1 Mac to live stream, I can use the, I can actually use the, you know, the microphone itself. So, and this is how it's supposed to look. Now let's see how it sounds. So this is how it sounds for far away. I have it at a distance about, I don't know, a hand from me, like a hand from me. And let me try near. So if it was near, I think this is the way we're gonna have to use it, or something similar. But I can just talk into the microphone and it'll be a little bit near. But you guys decide how does it sound. It was a pretty easy setup. I downloaded the ShurePlus MOTIV. You go to shure.com/motive. What is it? Motive something. Let me find out real quick. Motive Desktop. So shure.com/motive, MOTIV desktop. And you hit enter. You decide if you want to download the Mac or the Windows version. It works with both. And hopefully it was as easy as I did it. It was pretty quick, actually. I was surprised. It's a very easy step-by-step. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much. And just let me know. Let me know in the comments if it actually sound good. If I need a little bit of tweaking, which I suspect I need a little bit of tweaking. But if you like more content like this, just subscribe to the channel. Hit that like, subscribe, that little bell, so you can get notifications about my when I go live, my new videos, and yeah, anything Dr. Elo, live streaming, sustainability, vlogging, and any of the topics, live streaming tech. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if I sound well. If I sound like crap, let me know as well. I would like that constructive feedback. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much. This is Dr. Elo out.